The Story of the Gingerbread Man. Once upon a time, there was an elderly woman who was skilled in baking special gingerbread cookies in the shape of dolls of various sizes, known for their delicious taste and unique aroma. Children from the neighborhood would gather around her to enjoy the delightful cookies and admire the beautiful doll shapes. Every time the woman prepared the cookies, she would leave them by the window to cool, and upon returning, she would find them gone. She assumed the children had eaten them and was pleased with that. One day, the old woman woke up to make her famous gingerbread cookies. She gathered flour, salt, water, and ginger, began to prepare the dough, shaped it into large dolls, and placed it on a baking tray. With a bit of leftover dough, she decided to make a small gingerbread doll, baked it, and left it by the window to cool. The gingerbread man comes to life. A beautiful butterfly with blue wings came by, drawn to the gingerbread's delightful shape and aroma. Approaching the small gingerbread doll, the butterfly whispered, "Come on, wake up so we can play together." The little gingerbread man sprang to life, looked at the butterfly, and said, "Let's play together." The butterfly flew out the window and into the garden, with the little gingerbread man following, hopping along on his small feet. When the children saw the gingerbread man, captivated by his delightful appearance and aroma, they began jumping after him, trying to catch him and eat him. The butterfly quickly shouted, "Hurry up, little one, before the children catch you." The gingerbread man kept hopping away quickly, leaving the children behind until he reached the neighboring garden. He laid down on the ground to rest, but while he and the butterfly were catching their breath, they heard a dog barking and approaching them. Frightened, the butterfly urged, "Hurry, little one, the dog has caught your scent and is coming to eat you." The gingerbread man jumped up and started hopping again, following the butterfly. The dog chased after them until they reached the edge of a lake. "What will I do now?" cried the gingerbread man. "I can't swim." The butterfly said, "I'll carry you on my wings, and we'll fly." But the gingerbread man replied, "How can you carry me on your delicate wings? I'm too heavy." The butterfly assured him, "Trust me, I can carry you." Meanwhile, a fox was swimming in the lake nearby, listening to their conversation. The fox said, "Jump onto my tail, and I'll take you to the other side." The butterfly warned, "Don't trust him. He's a sly fox and will eat you." But the gingerbread man thought, "I'll stay on his tail, far from his mouth, and he won't be able to eat me." So he climbed onto the fox's tail, and the fox swam across the lake. As they crossed, the fox began swaying his tail back and forth, then said, "Jump onto my head now. My tail is moving and might throw you into the water." The gingerbread man quickly leapt onto the fox's head, but the fox opened his mouth to eat him. Just then the butterfly swooped in, lifted the gingerbread man on her wings, and flew him to safety. A new home for the gingerbread man. Terrified, the gingerbread man asked the butterfly, "Where can I hide? Everyone here wants to eat me." The butterfly reassured him, "Don't worry, I'll take you to a safe place." She flew with him to a small island in the middle of the lake, full of trees. The gingerbread man asked, "Where are we going?" The butterfly explained, "I've brought many gingerbread men, women, and children here, and they've built a home to live in, safe from children and animals." The gingerbread man landed on the island and found many gingerbread children playing happily. He was delighted to join them on this beautiful, peaceful island, free from danger. He thanked the butterfly for her help and bid her farewell sadly, but she promised she'd come back soon to play with him again.